Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and get the Opera browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera, and once the needed app is found, all that it's left to do is to tap on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and open up the Opera browser itself. Here we'll tap on continue. Next we'll choose whether some of the features this browser has to offer, we want them to be enabled from the start, or we can configure them later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip the step, and I can set the Opera as my default browser. Here you can either click on allow or customize the permissions that you've gained to this application, and we are all set. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.